To clone WhatsApp in Google Pixel 11, first of all, you will need to open a Google settings on your phone. Next step is to navigate down to security and privacy and then click on the private space. If you do it for the first time, it will ask you to perform setup for private space. I've made a dedicated video on how to perform your first setup in private space. You can watch it on my channel. And then when your private space is created, you can go back and open a app drawer, then scroll down and look for the private space on the bottom. Usually it should be locked, but you can unlock it with the password that you've created. And then we want to click on the plus button and install apps. In search, find WhatsApp. And that way we'll get one WhatsApp in our private space. Also make sure that you've downloaded WhatsApp from your standard Google Play Store, normally on your phone. So just take a look like this and install it. Now when we have two WhatsApps, we can open one of them from our app drawer and the other one from the private space. And that way, if we go into background apps, as you can see, there's two different WhatsApps open. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.